bubbles. Yeah. I'm still taking a video because I didn't flip the dials. Morning on Saturday, and Lee and I decided to get an early start, and so we came out here for a morning swim, and it's been lovely thus far. It's like perfect water temperatures. We're trying to do some like underwater videos, and it's just not clear enough. We're gonna go under this wave, okay? Here we go. Super cool, right? Alright, well here's our beach we've got going on. There's the beautiful ocean. So, and then, that right there, that is, sorry, woo, a little bit smoky. That's Manuel Antonio State Park, not state, National Park, and it's super pretty, like these waves, but I'm going to cut you off now and do some more swimming. Alright.